most important thing is to use your good singing voices.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. If you really love your mommy, clap your hands. If you really love your mommy, clap your hands. If you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, clap your hands. If you really love your mommy, stamp your feet. If you really love your mommy, stamp your feet. If you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, stamp your feet. If you really love your mommy, blow a kiss. If you really love your mommy, blow a kiss. Over here.
You're supposed to blow it at me, Sage.
If you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, blow a kiss. Blow it to your mommy, blow it to your mommy. Now we have to do all three and make sure you blow that kiss to your mommy. There we go. If you really love your mommy, do all three. If you really love your mommy, do all three. If you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, if you really love your mommy, do all three. All right, let's clap. You did a good job. Now, this time, you have to use your 2 fingers to point to your mommy when you say you. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Ready? Here we go. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Aww.
Happy Mother's Day to you. Happy Mother's Day, dear Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you. Yeah. Right.
One more you.
Now everybody have a seat on your red circle shape. And you are going to be so amazed, moms, because they learned how to read an entire I Love You book.
Really?
And they're going to read for you right now.
Awesome.
Are you guys ready? I'm going to turn the pages. What's the name of the book?
I love you.
Here we go. You have to read all these words. Every bird
Loves a tree.
Good.
Every flower loves a bee.
Good.
Sage, pull your skirt on.
Every black loves a key.
Now remember to point to your mom. And I love you. There we go.
Love me at all.
Every
Every sock loves a shoe. Every ghost loves a boo. Everyone loves a two. And I love you. Okay, here we go. Last part. Every shovel loves a
pail.
Every monkey loves a
Tail.
every wave loves a whale. Get ready. And I love you. Hey, that's Here we go. Here's the farmer. Every farmer loves a
Wait.
Every dog
Loves a wait.
Every candle
Loves a cake.
You get ready now. This is the last one. And
I love you.
now go give them a big hug.
Not.
Are you totally amazed?
Okay, please.